back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am doing a series of herbs in alphabetical order. I go down the list of the alphabet and talk to you about what the herb does, how it benefits your body, and how to take it. I am a family herbalist and a nutritional herbalist. I like to talk to people about how we can heal our bodies naturally with what nature has given us. I like to call it God's pharmacy. And it is amazing, amazing, amazing. I am currently still going to school to become a master herbalist, and then I'm going to pursue to become a naturopath. So that is my journey. Alright, go ahead and grab a piece of paper and pencil. Let's take some notes. I'll put everything up on the screen. I'll also put down in the description box as well what we are talking about. But first, hit the subscribe button and ding the little bell so you know when I post a new video. The herb we're going to talk about today is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a plant that grows in India, Africa, and the Middle East. It is an evergreen woody shrub that grows up to about 6 feet tall and has gray stem with oval leaves and a yellow to green flowers and berries that are red. Ashwagandha thrives in warm, sunny, dry, sandy soil and can't stand too much water. It has been used in Indian medicine called Ayurveda for about 3,000 years. Ashwagandha is a very powerful adaptogen, which means it's very beneficial to normalize the effect that stress has on your entire body. Ashwagandha can be used as a rejuvenator, a sedative, anti-inflammatory, diuretic, and to increase physical energy and endurance. It's also beneficial for colds and coughs, diabetes, ulcers, insomnia, and Parkinson's disease. It also protects the nervous system. Ashwagandha is rich in antioxidants that fights against free radicals and protects your cells against oxidation. Also, it's very good for anti-aging. Ashwagandha is used for treating diabetes, ulcers, insomnia, dementia, Parkinson's disease, nervous disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, intestinal infections, breathing disorders like bronchitis, asthma. Also been used to treat cancer. It can reduce the severity of a cold and coughs, increase your sexual enhancement, also enhance your health as an adaptogen we talked about earlier, treat anxiety, tumors, skin condition, fibromyalgia, and menstrual difficulty, treat liver disease, hiccups, decrease pain and inflammation, prevent the effects of aging. We talked about that earlier with the antioxidants, with the free radicals. Also enhances fertility in men and women, treats wounds and backaches, increases your thinking ability. The part of ashwagandha that is used for medicinal purposes is the roots. And you can dry this out, make it into a powder. You can take it in capsule form or as a tea. Ashwagandha should not be taken by women who are pregnant or nursing without consulting a doctor, and it may cause some drowsiness or a heavy feeling in the abdomen if taken in large doses. Alright, that is it for this herb. Hopefully I'll get one posted again in a few more days. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments down below. Also hit the like button, share button, subscribe button, the little bell, so that way you know when I make another video. Alright, you guys, you have a great day, and let's all get healthy together. Bye! They always say your eyes are the nipples of your face. You will not see my nipples,